In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Amazon cannot leave review. So if you can't leave a review on Amazon, it's usually because they have a minimum spend requirement. So if your account hasn't spent at least $50 on Amazon using a valid credit or debit card in the last 12 months, promotional gift card balances don't usually count towards this requirement, then you will not be able to leave any kind of reviews. If you recently purchased the item, you may also have to wait 24 to 48 hours after delivery for the Write a Product Review button to become active, and that is going to be found inside of your account tab, and then head into orders and then simply go ahead and select the specific order to go ahead and do so. If you have an active ban on your account, you can also try cleaning up your past reviews by going to your profile. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.